As it's a lovely day outside today, we decided to do some outdoor gardening. Look at that sunshine, and there is a little guard dog. Hello, Lightning. How are you? Are you sunbathing? Are you guarding the house? No? You're a dog of few words. It's okay, you rest there. We'll do all the hard work. This is what we're doing here today. We're making a lovely edging for flowering bushes, which are hydrangeas, my favorite, and putting a bit of chip bark to stop the weeds growing, and also it sort of makes it all look nice and tidy and neat. A bit of fresh soil just before that. You can see that's how the ground was before, so there wasn't much earth or anything like that. It's quite compact, so I've added new earth on here, and obviously the final bit of the chip bark going down. And we got all this from our shredder. That is a bag full of chippings. Literally, we shredded some bushes down, and that looks really, really lovely. Phil's over here. He's doing the edging for the rest of this long wall border. Hello, Philly.
Hello. I'm just making a border between the grass and the flower beds to make it a little bit neater, easier to cut up to, and obviously weed the flower beds because you know what side's what. And I'm just making it out of old pallets. So you just split up an old pallet, so you get the edging strips, beat it into the ground slightly with a rubber mallet, and then other parts of the, to make little of the pallet, you make little stakes, bang these in behind, screw it together, job done.
Nice
Pallets.
and easy.
Obviously most people's garden, this is a quick job. I've only got about 500 metres of it to do, so. Some screws and sorted.
Yay! So here we have gravel, so it's quite different from what this flowering bed will be, but that's lovely. And this is how far Philly's got to go.
In this garden.
All the way there to
3
like
more
what it
gardens
looks like.
to go after this.
Yeah, but this is a nice start, isn't it? Thanks, Philly.
Alright, now I've got to keep on going banging back. So.
Yeah, crack on. Using my happy clappies. And then you just spread it out like this. That will stop any weeds growing through it. And also, obviously, that's a really great idea to do in winter as well, to stop the plants freezing and stuff like that. And now that it's all finished, it's looking really lovely. Lovely straight edging. Look at that. These plants will be very happy.
Cheeky garden border made out of pallets.
Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe in order to catch all of our videos.